Today we will be testing a price strength strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a price strength strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 563 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 78% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy Forex indicator, as well as the Academy Forex higher time frame fractal candle indicator in a strategy that I'll mention later on in this video. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a price strength strategy. And so the source video says this powerful indicator tells you exactly when to enter and exit trades. And so, of course, we're going to put the strategy to the test, but what I will tell you is that the indicator itself, the specific indicator, does not tell you exactly when to enter and exit trades. It doesn't tell you when to enter trades, and it definitely doesn't tell you when to exit trades. That's done with a static risk to reward ratio. As far as entering the trade, that's done by an interpretation of the indicator to figure out where you want to enter or where maybe an ideal place to enter is. And so, right off, the source video is a little misleading about that, but often they are. And so, like I said, we'll put the strategy to the test and see what we can get out of it. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the relative vigor index. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. Then what we're going to do is go over here to the line tools, go down to the horizontal line here, and you're going to place a line, and that line is going to be at the negative 0.2000. Click OK. Then do that once again, click this one right here, and this one's going to be at the positive 0.2000. Go ahead and click OK, and you can see the setup we have here with the RVI kind of oscillating in between these two lines. We're ultimately going to use these two lines as like an overbought and oversold type area. Think of like the RSI. Then the next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the moving average convergence divergence. This is just the standard built-in trading view MACD. Same way with the RBI. It's just the built-in trading view version. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. Jump into the settings. We're going to go into the inputs. The fast length we're going to change to 100. Slow length we're going to change to 200. Signal we're going to change to 50. Jump into the styles and uncheck the MACD and the signal. Leave the histogram as it is on default. Go ahead and click OK. And so what we're looking for a long trade example, so we're looking for when the MACD is giving us green histogram bars like this here. Then looking for the RVI to pull back below the lower line that we created here. And then we're looking for the green line to cross up above the red like it does right here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade here, put our stop just right below this pivot area here, and we're going to target a 1 to 2 risk to reward, putting it right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see this really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade example, what we are looking for is the MACD to give us red histogram bars like this here. We're then looking for the RVI to cross up above the line that we set here on the top side. And then we're looking for that green line of the RVI to cross down below the red. It does so right here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. We'll put our trade here. Put our stop just right above this pivot area here and target a 1 to 2 risk to reward just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And once again, you can see a nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. Before we take a look at the numbers on this strategy, if you're looking for a profitable strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It has been put up against hundreds of other strategies, and every single time has come out to be more profitable. I'll put a link to the video on this strategy up in the corner now, and on screen right now you will see the thumbnail to that video, so you're sure that you're getting to the right one. So you don't have to worry about not finishing this current video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we got 25 winning trades and 25 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 50% win rate. So with the 1 to 2 risk to reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $15,000. On the losing side, you would have been risking $300 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $7,500. That would have put your total profit and loss at a gain of $7,500. So a reasonable strategy. Now, during the same period of time, we did right at 36 trades altogether with the Academy of Forex indicator, as well as the Academy of Forex higher time frame fractal candle indicator, and we had right at a 74% win rate. A total gain would have been right at $19,000, so definitely better results. If you have not already seen it, I'd like to introduce you to the newest indicator here at the Academy of Forex. It's a very simple but very powerful indicator. What it does is it helps to predict or anticipate what future price might be doing within a specific future time frame. To do this, we are aligning a higher time frame and specific candle formations, which make up the red and green tags, as well as the blocked out period of time in between these two gray lines. This indicator can be used to enhance the win rate of existing strategies or indicators you may be using. For example, like the Academy of Forex indicator, which I did a whole video on, or it can be used just as powerful as a standalone indicator. For example, when we pick up a red label like this here, what we can anticipate is price is going to make for example, when we pick up a red label like this here, we can predict or anticipate that price is going to make an open, high, low, close formation. Or when you get a green tag, you can anticipate a open, low, high, close formation. This powerful knowledge will help you align yourself with the true direction in which the market is attempting to go. If you are interested in accessing this new indicator, just join our Patreon down below. Once you join our Patreon, you'll get access to our Discord, and just go into the NQ indicator request, tag me at DP Roberts, and request access to the higher time frame fractal candles indicator. Alright, that's going to do it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list and move on to the next video from here.